Okay guys, so here we are at Chino Hills State Park, and it's super beautiful, and it's all green, like rolling hills, and I'm so excited to go up there. And I'm wearing my handy dandy heart rate monitor, so I'm just gonna sync it to my watch. Well, it's not a watch, I'm gonna sync it to my heart rate monitor, and I'm gonna count my calories. I had to beg her to come. My husband is with me. Ooh, all trails are closed. The Orange Theory chopstick. Just had to stop for a minute and show you guys how beautiful it is here. I love the wandering, winding roads. I don't have to do laps yet, but I'm getting them. I'm going to get them very soon. They're throwing rocks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my husband's throwing rocks. We're gonna get kicked out. What'd you guys find?
A noise-making thing.
Well, you're just plugging it up.
No, it's fun.
Now it's gonna flood. You guys can't plug it up with rocks. This is a scenic viewpoint. That's where we made it to. But I don't know why it's so interesting that we found a bridge, but it is interesting. And we found a bridge. It's a cute bridge.
Rabbits.
Where?
Two. Right
Where?
there.
I don't see any
One,
rabbits.
two.
You're lying.
There's something. No.
There's none.
No, there's two rabbits. I just saw them both move. They're looking at us right now.
There is no rabbits.
Get a rock real quick, Zach.
I hear crows.
There's two rabbits. They're looking.
Counting crows. One, two.
Here. Here's a rock. Look. Look at this. Okay, ready? Oh. It scared it, but it stayed there.
Oh, don't scare the bunny.
Yeah, I don't feel it moving.
I wonder what kind of bird that is.
It looks like it's got a red, kind of a reddish breast, but it's a red-tailed hawk.
Brown.
Yeah, it's like a hawk. It's party.
Maybe it's a nearsighted hawk and it thinks we're mice. Thanks for the courtesy walk.
Notice this lovely sycamore tree, at least I think it's a sycamore. And see those big green clumps that are in the tree? Those are actually mistletoe. It's the little plant that you stand under and you kiss at the holidays, right? But it's actually a parasitic plant that attaches itself to trees, and if it's like not a healthy tree, sometimes it can kill the tree. But did you know that we have mistletoe growing on the sycamore trees in Chino State Park? When I was a little girl, we lived out in the country, and there was mistletoe growing on the pecan trees, and it was way up tall on the tree, and you couldn't get up there and get it. And I would throw sticks until I would knock it down, and then I would take scissors and I would cut it into these cute little bundles, and I would put little red bows around it, and then I would go down by the street and I would sell little bags of mistletoe for $2 a piece. It was a great little racket. I made some spending money because people were like, ooh, is it the mistletoe that you actually kiss? And I'm like, yeah, it is, and it actually is. But you don't need to buy it. You can just like go to Chino Hills State Park and get it off that tree. We found some wild animal tracks. I wonder what that one is right there. There's more tracks.
I think it's a kind of snake.
Let me see. Is it a snake track?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Treaded snake.
Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Oh, are there snakes here?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm trying to hear the nature.
There's something moving.
You can actually hear the leaves falling on that tree. Oh, it's a beehive. Oh, run fast. Discovered what it is that the bees are after, and it is this lovely pollen thing right here. And so far they did not chase that or that.
And it could be
We have
deadly.
found something in the wild, and it is this lovely thing right here. It's actually really big. I wonder if it's hallucinogenic. Okay, so we're gonna go up this little hill right here, and I'm gonna see if I can screen record my heart rate so that we can see if it goes up, all right? I'm still in the gray zone. Oh, 61, I got to the blue zone. If I get into the green zone, then I'm burning fat. Right now, I found trapdoor spiders. Trapdoor spiders are so interesting. I loved when I was a kid finding them, and they're always easiest to find.
There's a spider in there. Oh my god.
There's a spider in
There,
there?
yes.
Is it scary? Oh, look at that. Oh, he's closing his lid.
He does not like
He
us.
does not like us. Oh, he tried to close his lid. Oh, I'm sorry, spider. It was
pretty
really big.
big.
It was huge. Yeah, we scared him. It's a trapdoor spider. After a rain, they always show up more because you can see the outline of the lid. And I like to open them and see if there's a spider in there, but I don't want to ruin the lid. So I very carefully take a small stick.
There's one in
There
there.
is a spider in there.
Yes. Oh my gosh, it went back.
He went down.
Wait, I want to like...
Let's see if he comes back and opens the lid. So the spiders, they hide right behind their lid, and then when a bug walks by, they open the lid and pounce on it. All right, we're back to civilization now. There's the car down there. And I'm going to see, as soon as I get to the car, I'm gonna see how many calories we burned. Okay, so we are done with our hike, and it was 2 hours and 10 minutes. I'm in the gray right now because we just came down the hill. And I'm going to, ooh, look, I burned 278 calories. So I'm gonna click finish. Are you sure you wanna finish? Yes, I'm sure. Great workout, woohoo, great workout. And here it shows me my heart rate zones. I did not ever get into the green. Casual stroll. But it was still almost 300 calories.